In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple and delicious horchata. You're going to want a cup of white rice and a cinnamon stick, one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, one can of lechera or sweet condensed milk, vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, and 4 cups of water. In a container, you're going to want to put your cup of white rice, your 2 cups of water, and your cinnamon stick. Now you're going to want this to soak up for at least 5 hours. After 5 hours, you're going to want to pour the rice in a blender along with the water it was sitting in. And the cinnamon stick as well. Now you're going to want to blend it until it becomes a smooth mix. I blended mine for about 5 minutes. Now you're going to want to strain it into a pitcher. Careful not to make a mess. Now we're going to add our evaporated milk, your 14-ounce can of lechera, tablespoon of vanilla extract, cup of milk, and your 4 cups of water. And now you're going to want to mix it up. Now you could taste it. If you want it to be more sweet, you could just add regular white sugar, or you could add a little more lechera, but I think it's perfect like this. Now just put some ice on the cup and go ahead and pour yourself some. And you could garnish it with a little bit of ground cinnamon. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and give the video a like if I helped you out. Subscribe to the channel if you want more cooking videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.